Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Axiory. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Axiory is an online, multi-regulated ECN or Electronic Communication Network Forex broker that was founded in 2011. If you are looking for a beginner-friendly broker with flexible account types and competitive trading conditions, then we recommend opening an account with Axiory. As an Axiory client, you will have access to more than 350 trading instruments, and tight spreads are guaranteed. Axiory provides a trading academy with plenty of educational resources to help you along your trading journey, along with a wide variety of advanced trading tools for more experienced traders. This broker has a good reputation with low minimum deposit requirements, and it is suitable for beginners and clients of the Muslim faith. Axiory provides a user-friendly, well-developed website that is easy to navigate and aesthetically pleasing. All the important information and key features clients need can be accessed directly from the homepage, and disclaimers are posted at the very bottom of the page. The menu bar can be used to easily navigate to educational resources, account information, platforms, tools, markets, and company information. For more details on the trading instruments offered by Axiory, hover your cursor over the trading section on the menu bar and click on the instrument you would like to trade for more information on spreads and specifications. This broker offers traders a wide variety of tradable market instruments, including Forex, gold, metals, energies, oil, CFD indices, CFD stocks, and ETFs. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, as well as the CTrader platform. MetaTrader 4 is available on the Axiory Standard, Nano, and Max account types. Traders can get MetaTrader 4 on PC, Mac, iOS, and Android devices. This platform creates a powerful and flexible trading environment and is the leading trading platform in the world. It allows traders of all levels of experience to feel comfortable and secure when using it, and offers features such as an interface that is customizable and easy to use, analytical tools that are pre-programmed, the ability to overlay analytical studies, various options available for charting and analysis, multi-language features, and more. The MetaTrader 5 trading platform can be used with the Axiory Alpha and Terra account types. MetaTrader 5 is available on PC, Mac, iOS, and Android devices. And while MetaTrader 4 is the most popular trading platform, MetaTrader 5 is the most advanced, as it contains all the features that MetaTrader 4 has, but with an array of added features unique to this platform, such as more timeframes and charting options, multi-asset trading, daily account statements, an internal mailing system, 100 charts that can be displayed simultaneously, more than 80 technical indicators, and more. The CTrader platform offers a modern graphical interface and regular updates, and is accessible through a web interface, such as your browser. You can get CTrader for PC, as well as iOS and Android mobile devices. CTrader provides users with a responsive and easy-to-use trading platform, which features a clean layout and a wide range of multiple tools, such as drawing tools, over 60 indicators pre-installed, and more. Axiory offers a total of 5 flexible account types, as well as demo accounts for each of them, and Islamic accounts. All accounts feature tight spreads. You can fund your Axiory account using euros or US dollars, and all accounts have negative balance protection. The Nano account and Terra accounts have a minimum deposit requirement of $6 and are similar in many ways, offering tight spreads and low commission fees. The only difference between these two accounts is that Terra is a MetaTrader 5 account, and Nano is designed for CTrader and the MetaTrader 4 platform. The Standard, Max, and Alpha accounts require no minimum deposit, and tight spreads are guaranteed. The Standard and Max accounts are commission-free trading accounts, and the Alpha account charges very low commission fees. The Axiory demo account comes with $10,000 of virtual funds to practice with, access to 3 popular platforms, and it will never expire. This is a great way to test out strategies, and you can open multiple demo accounts to see which one works best for you. Opening an account with Axiory is simple and easy. All you need to do is click on the Sign Up button on the homepage and fill in your personal details. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your email address. And before you can start trading, you will need to submit some identification documents and choose your account type. And once the sign-up process has been completed, you will be redirected to the Axiory personal area. Once you are in Axiory's personal area, traders who wish to create a demo account can simply click on Create Demo. After your account has been verified, or you are simply creating a demo account, the next step is to choose your preferred trading platform. We decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 platform. Your account credentials will be provided in the Axiory personal area for your preferred platform. Once you have downloaded and installed your preferred trading platform, simply log in with the credentials provided. And just like that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 platform on Axiory. In the center you have your graph, on the left your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen a variety of tools that you can use. If you are looking for more information about getting started with the trading platforms and platform functionality, be sure to check out Axiory's educational area for more information. They feature guides in getting started with the MetaTrader platforms, installing indicators, a variety of educational webinars that you can watch, and if you require any additional assistance, you can get in touch with their support staff who can help you with any additional information that you might be looking for. Axiory is a great option if you are new to trading or if you are looking for ways to improve your trading knowledge and skills. This broker offers plenty of free topic-specific educational guides and beginner educational materials designed through the Trading Academy that includes strategic developments, market basics with trading terms and platforms, and all major trading concepts are discussed in great detail. Axiory also provides daily market news and daily technical analysis updates. Both new and professional traders alike can make use of Axiory's comprehensive technical analysis, indicators, and other tools like My Axiory and an auto chartist. Over the years this broker has been in operation, they have received a variety of trading awards. Some of their more recent awards include the Excellence in Customer Service and Most Transparent Broker of 2020, the award for the Best Customer-Centric Forex Brand 2020 in Dubai, the Best CEO in the Forex Brokerage Industry Award, the Best Educational Provider and Best Forex Broker CFDs by FX Daily Awards, and the Best Trading Conditions and Best Forex Trading Award. Overall, with Axiory, you have access to all the tools and features you need as a trader. This award-winning broker is suitable for beginners, professional traders and copy traders, and accommodates all styles of trading. We especially recommend Axiory if you are interested in learning how to trade for the very first time, because your demo account will never expire. You can test all the accounts before you make any financial commitments, and this is definitely one of our best rated brokers for copy trading and strategy testing. you can rely on Axiory for exceptional educational material, reliable customer support, and high-quality research and analysis material, with many accounts to choose from. And that is our overview of Axiory. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.